Okay, and there is really Honda's engines pistons, and they looks very nice. No any issues in there. Excellent condition. And there is something interesting part in here. What is this part in here? There's really some rubber part in here. Really interesting. There's some purpose in this part I have not ever seen, but everything is very fine. There's about 200,000 miles and in excellent conditions. These pistons, now I am meaning that no any extra movements, only normal corrosion in this cylinder head top area, but everything another looks good. Okay, and cleaning happens so that we need firstly steel brush and then vacuum cleaner, both of those. And there's idea that when I clean these pistons, in same time I take these dusties away, and we can see that how this job happens. Firstly I start my vacuum cleaner and then I start to clean. Okay, great. And now we can look that closer and we can see that big difference. And there is also thing that these areas are coolant hoses, and it is not good that this dust goes in that hole. That if I like to be really professional, I can add in here tape, like this duct tape or electric tape in these holes in here. But now I managed to take all of these dusties in here away, and now we can see that how clean this is. Here, this old one where is no any this cleaning, this is so dusty, full of these scratch and this coal, and now when we look that there is the small particles in here, what is harmful in our cars running.